Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. I want to show you two different apps that you can actually use to make money. I mean money for yourself on a daily basis. So this is a step-by-step video guide. Make sure that you watch it from the beginning to the end before you implement what you will learn. And trust me guys, you are going to make money with what I want to show you right here today. But I want to advise you that on any platform that you want to do business online, right, make sure that you do your research as well. After the trial, then I will now show you how you can make $5, $10, $30, $40 in a day. And guys, you are going to make money from this application every two minutes. Yes, every two minutes. That is when you are going to be making money for yourself. The next thing I'm going to do right now is just to go to my phone and show you how it works. And it's the platform. What you need to do when you want to start is just to go to the description below. When you get there, the first link that you're going to see there, just click on it, then it will take you to this page. When you get to this page, all you need to do is just to scroll down. You're going to see this download app. Click on it, then it will download on your phone. Once it's downloaded on your phone and you install it, that is the first app. To download the second app, you need to go to your Play Store. When you get to Play Store, then you're going to type Upcoin. So the first one there, just click on it. Once you click on it, it has been installed on my phone already. So what you need to do is just to click on install it on your phone. So these are the two apps that I'm talking about. The first one that we downloaded from the website is called Btoll. Then the second one that we downloaded from Play Store, it's called Upcoin, right? So now what you need to do right here is just to click on this place. So once you open the app, you're going to see it like this. Then you're going to see register. Click on register. So then you're going to put your phone number right here, your phone number. When you put your phone number there, then when you want to put your phone number, make sure that you started with, maybe your number is started with 080. Make sure that you are started with 80. Don't put a 0 here, okay? Don't start with 0. You're going to start with, so that you're able to get the OTP, okay? Then you're going to enter your password, then enter the invitation code. If you go to the description now, you are going to see the invitation code there. You're going to see the invitation code, then you're going to see register. Click on register. So once you register, then you are good to go. Now let me quickly log in and show you what is inside this app. This is it. On this application, you are going to be trading every 2 minutes to make money for yourself. But before you do, before we come back to this place, we have to go to the second app and open it and register there as well. The second app, I'm going to click on it. So I just launched the second app right now. So as you can see it here, you're going to see new user registration. So just click on new user registration. So you're going to put the username that you want to use, the username, the password, and your password again. Then you click on register now. Okay. So once you do that, now let me quickly log in to this account here. This is the account right here. So this one is just like every other cryptocurrency wallet where you keep your coin. But the reason why you're going to make use of this app is because when you want to send out USDT, they won't charge you at all. You will not pay any transaction fee. So you send out for free. That is the usefulness of this application here. Now, if you want to start running your account, what you need to do first right here is just to come to deposit. The first thing you're going to do after you have done the whole registration, you need to come to deposit here. So you click on deposit, then you choose USDT. Then you choose TRC20. You see this TRC20, and then click on confirm. Then to give you your USDT recharge address, all you need to do is just to copy it. Once you copy it, then you go back to Btoll application. When you get to Btoll application, all you need to do is just to come to mine here. You're going to see receive address right here. So click on receive address. When you click on receive address, it will show USDT TRC20. So click on it. Once you have done that, then you will see this. You will not see this one like this, like here. So you click on this plus sign. So I click on plus sign. When you click on plus sign, that address that you copy from UpCoin, you now paste it here. You paste it here, then you can name it anything that you like here, just like what you are seeing here, right? Just like what you are seeing here. Then to show, once you click on that complete, like completed, once you click on completed, you put the name here, you click on completed. So once you do that, it will show like this. So after the whole setup, maybe you do not have anywhere to buy USDT, or you don't have any USDT in any wallet before. What you need to do is just to come to the Fiat currency recharge. Just click on Fiat currency recharge. And I said, let's say I want to buy 10 USDT. Then I type 10 USDT, then click on submit. Once you do that, it will load. You can see it said, I'm going to buy 10 USDT with this amount, 6,205, right? So what I'm going to do next is just to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, then it will start loading. As you can see, it asked me to open with my browser. So I'm just going to click this, then the Google Chrome. I choose Google Chrome. As you can see, I actually want to pay with my card, or I want to pay with bank transfer. Okay, then what I'm going to do, let's say I want to pay with bank transfer. So I choose bank transfer. All right, so as you can see, it asked me to pay 6,205 for 10 USDT to Eyowo Microfinance Bank, the name Toib Moruf. Then I'm going to click on confirm payment, right? Confirm payment. Once I do that, I click on confirm payment, then they will recharge me 10 USDT straight come to the market. I'm going to see my 10 USDT here, right? I'm going to see my 10 USDT here. But right now I have 1 USDT that I quickly just want to use as a sample for you, right? If you have your USDT somewhere before, maybe on Binance or any other wallet, all you need to do is just to come to USDT Recharge here. So I click on USDT Recharge. Then let's say I want to deposit 10 USDT, and then I click on submit. Then you can see that it shows different wallet right here. But I will advise you, if you want to do that, to firstly send your coin to UpCoin. Now, that is the other app. So you can quickly send your USDT first to UpCoin like this by clicking on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you choose a USDT. Then you choose TRC20, confirm, then you copy this wallet. If you have USDT on Binance before, okay, so you can just quickly go to Binance and send that thing or any amount that you want to send to this address. Then it will enter into UpCoin right here. So once it's enter, then back to your Btoll, right, and choose UpCoin like this. You choose UpCoin and you click on submit, okay. So once you click on submit, it will ask you to enter your transaction PIN. So I just enter the transaction PIN. You can see, suppose that I have money in my UpCoin, automatically the money will be deducted. But because I do not have up to only 10 USDT there, that is why I cannot deposit. I think this place is actually, you actually understand this place like that. If you do not understand, just reverse it and watch it all over again. Then you need to go back to home here. So once you get to home, you can see we have different stuff right here. We have market, we have in process, we have other credits. Now let me quickly explain how it works to you. Now, market is where we trade and make profit, and in process, that is where we process the order that we buy from the market. Then we can see other credit here. Other credit, they give me 100. Anybody that sign up, you will get this free as a bonus, 100 credits. And each time you trade, they will remove 1 credit from this place. If I trade now, they remove 1 credit. If I trade second time, they will remove another 1 credit. You understand that? But once you exhaust all this credit, you can now click this other card here to buy another credit, right? You can see they have 200 credits for $50, and you can use it within 7 days. Another 400 for $100. You can use it within 10 days like that, okay? Now to trade right here, I have 1 USDT as available balance. So, and now let's say I want to trade. So I have to look for the order that is tally with the available balance that I'm having right here, which is this one USDT right here. You can see one amount. We have another one amount. Now, what I'm going to do right here is just to click on order receiving, click on submit. All right. So now, once you can see successful processed, then when you get to this place, what you need to do is just to click on completed and click on submit. I can see that one has been taken away from this order credits right here. Okay. Now, this time now to go back to the Upcoin to check if we have already received 1 USDT there. Beautiful. You can see that we just received 1 USDT right here, right? Now, if you want to see how much you earned, what you earned is going to be inside this app. It will be accumulated before you're able to trade inside this app. Now, if you just go to the market, you see that I have earned 0.05 USDT, right? So after 2 minutes, I can still go back again. Like, let me quickly go back again, like right here. I'm going to click on that place. Then I'm going to click on recharge, USDT recharge. Then I'm going to put 1 USDT, then click on submit and submit. So now I'm going to choose TRC under Upcoin because I have 1 USDT there. Then I'm going to click on submit. I'm going to choose my browser. This password here. Can see operation successful, right? So it means I just successfully send 1 USDT from Upcoin to Btoll, right? So now I'm going to go back home and click on market. So when I click on market, you're going to see that I now have 1 U.005 USDT. So that is what I made the other time that I traded. To trade back again, what you need to do is just to come back to the market here. So click on market, then it will load. When it load, you have to check your balance, what you're having there. So this is what you can go for. If I click on this now, it means I will have insufficient balance. If I click on this, I will have insufficient balance because that is 37 USDT, 1,395 USDT. Okay, now I want to trade with 1 USDT, and this is how it works. If you trade with 1,395, this is the income within 2 minutes. Okay, and if you trade with 37 USDT, this is the income in 2 minutes. If you trade with this is the income in 2 minutes, every 2 minutes that you are trading. Now, let me click on order receive under 1 minute, 1 USDT. So you can see this is it now. So if you can process now by clicking on completed. And if you not click on completed, if you come back to display, you will see that we have 1 process here. Okay, so it means it did not complete. Maybe it did not complete before, but you have been ordering successfully. So what I'm going to do is just click on process. Then I'm going to click on complete. So it asks me, as Upcoin Pocket receive 1 USDT. So let me go and check first. So this is Upcoin. Now let me refresh it. And that 1 USDT right here, that it means you receive your money back immediately you trade, you receive your money back immediately. Okay, and every 2 minutes you will be trading with your money in this yes. Okay, so you can see that it has been completed. Here has turned to 0.01 now. Okay, so every 2 minutes I come back with an N 0.0. It depends on what you are using to trade. Okay, it depends on what you are using to trade. So that is how the system works. And as you can see that this one has reduced to 98 now. Now, if you want to withdraw your money from Upcoin, all you need to do is just to come back to Upcoin and click on withdrawal. Maybe you want to withdraw to Binance and sell it to any, or use it or sell it to. So you just copy your address from Binance and paste it here. Then you choose a TRC20, then all withdraw. Like this, I have one USDT here. Then you click on withdraw right here. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, that is it. If you want to make more money, there's something that I want to share with you on how you can make $10, $20, $30 in a day. So I will still do that calculation for you. But before then, if you want to make more money aside your trading, you can actually introduce this platform to your friends, right? So if you want to do that, all you need to do is just to come to team here. So if you click on team, you're going to see what you're going to benefit, right? You're going to see what you're going to benefit. Then come to mine right here. Once you get to mine, you're going to see, but this is not your own. Once you register and use my own invitation code in the description below, you see your own as well when you come to the mine right here. So now let me quickly do simple calculation to you. Every 2 minutes, you are eligible to make money right here. And let's say you have just $50 to start. You have just $50. Remember, you have just $50. And if you earn $50 divided by 200, that is how you do your calculation. So every 2 minutes with $50, you earn 0.25 USDT. And we have 30. We have how many 2 minutes in 1 hour? 30, right? Now, let's say in 1 hour, you have time, enough time that 1 hour, if you trade for 1 hour, it means you're going to earn this one multiplied by 30, right? So that is 7.5, okay, with your $50, right? So now, let's say you have 3 hours, you have time to trade like 3 hours. Now, let's say multiply by 3 hours, it means you can do 22.5, even or more, depending on how many hours you have to trade. Okay, so that is how this platform works. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.